Hey Lake of the Ozarks, now is the perfect time to start figuring out where you're going to spend next summer. Ryan Schaffner with the Jason Woodall All-Pro team, and I'd like to show you around 150 Southwood Shores Drive, Unit 3B. This spacious one-bedroom condo is a top-floor unit, so you'll get vaulted ceilings, great views, and it's located in the Southwood Shores complex, which features an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, other great amenities, and it's close to all the things the lake has to offer. If you can see yourself spending your time at Southwood Shores, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll set up a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.